In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to GetResponse lists. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for a free trial on their website. This gives you a chance to explore all their features without any initial cost. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you should look for the Contacts option. Clicking on that will take you to the area where you manage all your contacts. This section is essential because this is where you'll be adding and organizing your contacts into lists, and you want to ensure that you're doing this correctly for effective communication. Now that you're in the Contacts section, you might notice a button that says Add Contacts. This is your gateway to start building your lists. Go ahead and click on that. You will typically find two main ways to add contacts, one at a time or in bulk. Let's start with adding a single contact. After clicking on Add Contacts, you will see fields to fill in important information about the contact. You'll see that first name and last name are usually required, along with the email address. These fields help you personalize your communication later, which can significantly increase engagement rates. Once you've filled in these fields, you might also come across an option to add additional information, like the contact's phone number, company name, or any specific tags that you want to assign to this contact. Tags are incredibly helpful for organizing contacts based on specific criteria, like interests or demographics. After you fill in all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. It's very easy to make a typo, especially with email addresses, and we all know how frustrating it is to try to connect with someone and find out that the email was entered incorrectly. Once you're satisfied with everything, scroll down to the bottom of the form where you should find a button that says Add Contact or something similar. Click that button, and just like that, you've successfully added a single contact to your list. Now let's talk about bulk adding contacts. If you have many contacts to add at once, this method will save you a ton of time. Instead of entering each contact individually, you can upload a CSV file containing all your contacts' information. To do this, return to the Add Contacts section and look for the Import Contacts option. Clicking this will lead you to an upload process. Before you start uploading, ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly. GetResponse usually provides a template you can download to make this easier. Open that template in a spreadsheet application and fill it out with your contact information, including names and email addresses. Make sure each contact is in its own row and save the file as a .csv when you're done. Once your file is ready, go back to GetResponse and click on the option to upload that CSV file. You will be prompted to select your file from your device. After selecting your CSV file, GetResponse will usually guide you through a few additional steps to map the columns from your CSV to the fields in GetResponse. This ensures that your contact information lands in the right places. After mapping your columns, proceed to upload the contacts. Depending on how many you're adding, this may take a bit of time. But once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation that your contacts have been successfully imported. You now have your contacts organized in GetResponse lists. Whether you added them individually or in bulk, you can enjoy the benefits of effective email marketing with these contacts on board. Remember, maintaining your lists is just as important as adding new contacts, so be sure to regularly clean up your list by removing unengaged or inactive contacts. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you can stay updated with more tips and tricks for using GetResponse.